Meaning of faute mieux.
Faute mieux.
Faute mieux.
Faute mieux.
Faute mieux. Faute mieux is a French phrase that means for lack of something better. It is commonly used to describe a situation where a less than ideal option is chosen because there are no better alternatives available. The result in such situations can be suboptimal or less satisfactory, but it may still be the best possible outcome under the circumstances. For example, a person might accept a job offer that is not their dream job, but they do so faute mieux because it is the best option they currently have available to them.